Hello, I am Vanessa. Today I'm gonna tell you how should be an ideal Scrum team. To work effectively together, it is vital that everyone in the Scrum team follows a common goal, adheres to the same principles, and trusts and respects each other. Scrum team is a group of people working together to deliver the committed product. It is also important to keep in mind that the Scrum teams will get more and more efficient over time. Let's explore the essential characteristics of successful Scrum teams. These teams are not just about following a process. They embody a set of principles and values. Firstly, they share collective accountability, where each member plays a crucial role in delivery. Empowerment is a cornerstone, granting the team the authority to make independent decisions. Adaptability is crucial, with teams being self-organizing and self-correcting, fostering continuous improvement. Diverse and well-balanced talent within the team ensures a holistic approach to problem-solving. Compact, efficient, and self-sufficient, these teams are atomic in structure, enhancing communication and collaboration. Lastly, team members are dedicated full-time, aligning their efforts with common goals and principles. Together, these characteristics define a thriving Scrum team, focused not just on processes, but on embodying the core values of agility and collaboration. Let's dive in and explore these principles further. Effective Scrum teams establish important rules and guidelines during the norming phase of the Tuckman model. These include decisions about the daily Scrum meeting, like when, where, and how long it should be. They also set coding practices, testing guidelines, and procedures for releases. A crucial aspect is the definition of done, a standard to determine if the work is complete. Additionally, teams decide on the internal and external tools they'll use for their tasks. These agreements ensure a smooth and coordinated workflow within the Scrum team. The Scrum team is accountable for delivering the committed product or a shippable iteration of the product on the committed delivery date at high quality. Neither success nor failure is attributed to any single individual team member. The team altogether is responsible. The Scrum team is accountable for identifying and compensating for the low-performing members. No single member of the team can be held accountable for the failure to deliver results. In Scrum, teams are most effective when small and self-contained, ideally consisting of 3 to 9 members. Larger teams can lead to communication overhead, reducing efficiency. If a project exceeds the capacity of one Scrum team, it should be divided among multiple teams with clear deliverables and ownership. The product owner oversees this division, ensuring coordination across teams. A notable example is Jeff Bezos' concept of 2 pizza teams at Amazon, emphasizing the importance of small teams for efficient communication and increased focus on tasks. The idea is that a smaller team spends less time on management and updates, focusing more on productive work. In contrast to traditional Scrum's emphasis on collocated teams to minimize communication overhead, the landscape has evolved. The original concept arose in a time with less advanced communication tools, where forming local teams was feasible. However, today's reality is different, with globalized businesses and advanced internet technologies enabling effective communication for remote teams. International organizations find it challenging to adhere to the traditional collocation approach. The feedback received aligns with this shift, indicating the need to build and grow international teams. At the International Scrum Assembly, we diverge from mainstream advice, recognizing the necessity to adapt Scrum for international or remote teams. Chapter 10 delves into applying the Scrum framework effectively in this context, providing insights on internationalizing Scrum skills. See you in our next lesson.